welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Kennedy, and this here, doing her little stretches, is Clementine. Do you have a good nap? We went on a walk this morning. We've been doing our walks in the morning because it's getting pretty hot here now. It's wild. I feel like June wasn't really that warm, and then like July hit and it's been in the like mid 90s, pretty toasty out. So we've been doing our walks in the morning, but I feel like it just like, normally we do them like when I'm off work, you know, at the end of the day. And so I feel like it feels just kind of weird for both of us. I think we just need to get into a new bit of a routine. But anyway, I am back with another weekly vlog. We're gonna hopefully get up to some fun stuff this weekend. I'm gonna float the river with my friends. And if you aren't familiar with the Boise area, there's a river that runs through Boise, the Boise River, and it's very popular for floating, rafting. It's not like anything intense like whitewater or anything like that. It's pretty easy for the most part. And then I would love to go to some thrift stores, but really I need to get some stuff done around the house. I need to do a good clean. I think I want to wash my couch cushions. I haven't done it. I've only done it once since I got the couch last, I don't know, October. So they need a good wash. It's been a while, and I think I'm gonna try to wash them. There's 6 cushions total, so I think I'm gonna do 3 and 3, so that hopefully it gets cleaner. I don't have the best washing machine ever, so I'm hoping that helps with that. But yeah, so I need to clean the house. Dishes, I'm usually really good with my dishes, but right now I'm looking at them and I just have not been motivated to do anything around the house. I was out of town last weekend for the 4th of July, so I feel like I just skipped my weekend clean, and now things just feel a little overwhelming and I don't want to do it because I've been watching Little House on the Prairie, the new one on Netflix. I was hesitant about it at first, but honestly, I think because it's been so long since the first Little House on the Prairie came out, and I haven't really watched. My mom actually watches it every weekend. I think it's really funny, but she loves it. So I'm interested to hear her thoughts on it. But for me, it's been such a long time that I don't really have that much to compare it to, I would say. So I'm really enjoying it. I love a period piece, and I think this one seems pretty well done. So I just finished the 3rd episode. But yeah. So we have some things to get done before we can have any fun this weekend. So if you also need to be cleaning your house, go ahead and put this video on and do those things that you've been avoiding with me. I don't think I bought this in my last vlog. I think I was going to buy yarn in my last vlog, but this yarn that I bought on Sunday has literally just been sitting here, and I have yet to start a project with it. Or no, that was Monday. So we're going to go ahead and put this upstairs. I would like to start on this bag this weekend. But then let's do the couch. I feel like it's helpful if I like pick up the random things around the house first, you know, and put things away before I get to the actual cleaning part. Is from the brand Cozy, if you were wondering. I've had it almost, I think I said a year now. It's been a little less than a year. I love it. I will say, I'll be interested to see how these wash up this time. I feel like the last time I washed them, they weren't that dirty, but they feel pretty dirty right now. But this is such a comfortable couch. White probably wasn't the best idea, but I love it. Ghost is trilling so much. I tried to get it to climb above the door. That was my vision originally. But how do you water it? Because it's like clipped in and I don't want it to get water on my cute cookbook. So if anyone does that, what do you do? Do you just not worry about it? I don't know. But she's getting really full. I feel like I need to do something with it. About it on here. I know I showed it last time, but I got new bedding. I actually got this duvet from Amazon. It's perfect. I have a really cute brown gingham one for fall, winter, but I wanted something brighter for spring. I had this white quilt, but honestly, it had seen better days. And I love the yellow. I think it's so fun. Okay, well, I think we've made some good progress for today. I'm probably gonna wait and sweep and vacuum mop tomorrow. My house does not have like central air conditioning. I just have window units. So in the afternoon, I don't have any downstairs, so it gets pretty toasty. So vacuuming, I'm already hot, so that doesn't sound very life-giving right now. So I think I'm gonna call it a day. Things feel much better already. I left you guys hanging yesterday. I mentioned this before, but my phone runs out of storage all the time with the amount of content I'm recording. So it cut off and then I forgot to go back to what I was saying, but I ended up going to the local brewery to meet a couple of my coworkers, and then I went to a thrift store. And then last night, actually at work, we have this magic show at the venue I work at right now, and it's kind of different than what we normally do, so it's kind of all hands on deck, but it was fun. I didn't have to work very long. And then today, it's been so hot. I think today's supposed to get up to like 102 or 104. So I took Clementine to the park early this morning, and then I've just been kind of hanging out. I've been reading this book. I need to go check and see what it's called. It's called Between Tides and Thunder. If you like fantasy romance, I'm 50% of the way through, almost exactly. And I'm really into it right now. We'll see if it continues to be good. I left my Kindle at my parents' house last weekend, so I've been reading on my iPad, which is kind of a bummer, but it's fine, it works. But now, if I sound like I'm talking really fast, it's because I'm a little jittery. I'm going on a first date, and I don't talk about my dating life very much on here, and that's because I hate dating, so I'm not that excited, I would say, but it's fine. I know I'll have a good time. This is like a friend of a friend that I'm being set up with, so much less slower stakes than like a dating app. I hate dating app dates because 99% of the time you barely know anything about them, so they don't usually go that well. But anyway, I have a lunch date, and then I'm meeting my friend Nicole, and we're gonna go to this garden center / cafe, and they have a matcha that has like bee pollen and honey. I don't know, it looks so good, so I'm excited to try that. And then tonight I've got plans for drinks with my friends and family and dinner, and we'll probably play some cards. So gotta get through the date first. I shouldn't say that, but I'm sure it'll be great. But right now, I'm just looking forward to what's after the date. Anyway, so I'll keep you posted on how it goes. I'm wearing this cute little yellow sundress. I got this last year from Target. And yeah, so wish me luck. though. Either way. Well, I made it back from the date, which went well. I will say, if you also hate going on dates, making a plan with a girlfriend like immediately after the date, it's kind of hard to do when you do like an evening date, but if you're doing like a lunch or breakfast date, having plans with your friends like right after is so nice, I feel like, because then you get a debrief with them. It also gives you like something to look forward to, also like a time limit. You're like, okay, I have to be here at this time. So that was really nice that we got to like debrief in the car. And we went to this garden center. The garden center itself is probably at the end, like everything was half off at this point. I know in like July, a lot of the garden centers start to close shop. So I feel like it was a little late for most of their like blooms, but the matcha I had was really good. It was a honeybee matcha, which it tasted very similar to the matchas I drink with the honey, but it just had like cold foam on it too. It was really good. So that was fun, but I am hitting a wall. I feel like my friend's gonna be here in like 10 minutes to pick me up. But it's so hot. I think it's just the heat is really getting to me. So I'm trying to drink a lot of water, but yeah, it's in my house. I mentioned this before. I don't have AC down here and it's warm. So it's gonna be nice to go to a restaurant and cool down for sure. But we're gonna go to this little cocktail bar. Hyde Park is a very cute part of Boise. It's a little neighborhood area. I used to live closer to it, but now I live kind of far away. But it'll be fun to go over there. We're gonna go have some cocktails before dinner, and then we're going to this fancy sushi restaurant. So perfect for a hot day, I feel like, to have sushi. So that'll be fun. I just need to hydrate so that I'm not too tired. But it's been a fun day so far. Well, it's the next morning. Clementine and I just went on a walk. She's looking out the back window. That's cute. We just went on a walk. It's been kind of nice getting out early in the mornings. I feel like she walks better in the morning. I don't know, maybe she's still a little sleepy or what, but we had a great walk this morning. We also saw the cutest little mama duck with her 2 babies, and they're just waddling on down the path. It was very cute. So now I got a strawberry matcha this morning. It's honestly not the best one I've ever had. I feel like it's a little milky, but it's still good. I got a couple of these new All Things Lily Ann koozies. I had a couple that I got in the fall, and I love them because I'm an ice drink girly all year round, and I also am a sipper, so it takes a while for me to drink my drink. So I feel like it keeps it cold, but it also in the winter time is nice if I want to get an ice drink. I don't have to worry about like freezing my hand off. But I got this cute ladybug one, and then I also got this adorable plaid. Sorry, the sun. I'm trying to show you. Plaid. It tastes like summer. It's so cute. It has little seashells. I love it. I love both of them. So now we're gonna go home. I think I'll drop Clementine off, and then I need to go to Target because we're out of dog food. I really want to get a tank top to make another patchwork top. And what else did I want, Clementine? There was one other thing I needed. Oh, toothpaste. So, you know, all the essentials really. So I think I need to go there. I also was kind of bummed I didn't get a chance to go to Hobby Lobby yesterday. I need a few things there. So I'll have to go maybe tomorrow night, but that's all for now. floating the river is so much fun. It's very much a Boise staple thing to do, but it's just kind of a lot because you park a car at each end and it's like a 3-hour trip there and back. And then you have to go back and get your other car. It's just a whole thing, but it's so fun. And if you're ever in the area, you absolutely have to do it. But I'm exhausted. I ordered some food. Uh-oh, it's leaking on my book. I ordered some food as I was driving home, as my friend was driving me home. So I'm very excited. I've got some mac and cheese and I've got a salad. So I'm very excited to eat this. I'm starving. And I'm probably going to finish reading my book. It has been so good. It's from Tides and Thunder is what it's called. And if you love fantasy romance, you should definitely read it. I'm at like 76%, so I'm very excited to finish it. What has happened, I definitely did not see coming. So, oops. I feel like in romantasy anymore, I feel like a lot of it is very predictable. And the fact I hadn't even heard about this book, I think is crazy. But I have been very off reading recently, so it's kind of fun to have a book that I'm excited to be reading. So I think I'm going to keep this vlog going through tomorrow because I feel like I've been so busy this weekend. I feel like I haven't been really getting that much content, honestly. I definitely need to go run some errands tomorrow. I literally did not go anywhere today after I got back from walking Clementine and then I floated the river. So it's been a busy weekend, but it's been fun. I've had a lot of activities, which is always good. So hanging out with friends. So I'm gonna eat my dinner though. I'm very excited. I haven't even looked at it yet. I love the Caesar salad. I've never had their mac and cheese though. It looks pretty good. It's like exactly what you want after a long day out in the sunshine. I'm contemplating making a matcha. Is that absolutely crazy behavior? It's 6:15. I probably shouldn't, and I might regret it, but I think I'm going to make just a little one. It sounds so good, and I'm so tired. The dinner, my mac and cheese wasn't that great, but honestly, I was so hungry. It hit the spot. It was good. I ran to Target. I got a white tank top because I've been playing around with the idea of doing like a patchwork design on a tank top. I had this idea, but honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna do it. I might end up returning it. I'm not convinced on how cute it would be. But I did go to Hobby Lobby and I picked up some more beads because I saw this seashell necklace online that I want to try to recreate. So I've got quite the assortment here. I feel like I'm really stocking up. I'm hoping at some point, like, I'm just gonna have enough like back stock of beads that I won't have to buy them all the time. Just, you know, like buy one strand here and there, but you kind of use the whole strand when you make most necklaces. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and sign up on this week's vlog. It's been a fun, busy weekend, and I'm so happy that I could take you along for it. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.